Most people think making long AI animations is expensive or has too many limits. But today, I will show you how to extend your videos using the new Grok feature. The problem is that Grok only lets you add 30 seconds at a time. So what if you want a much longer video? In this video, I'll teach you a simple hack to extend your clips as much as you want for free. Make sure to stay with me until the end of this tutorial. First, I copy the first prompt and ask ChatGPT to write an interesting story that's 1 minute long. Then I use the next prompt to divide the story into scenes under 20 words because reading them takes about 5 to 6 seconds. Now it's time for the main prompt. I ask it to create both image and video prompts for the first scene, but for the rest, it should only make video prompts. This keeps the 3D animation style and the video sequence exactly the same. Now I split the screen and click the Imagine icon on the Grok website. I choose the image option in the prompt box and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical video.
I go back to ChatGPT, scroll up to copy the image prompt, and paste it into Grok to create the image. Next, I choose the image I like best and copy the story prompt from ChatGPT. In Grok, I click the icon next to the Generate button at the bottom to change the mode to Make Video. I paste the prompt and click Generate to create the video. Now that the first video is ready, I want to make it longer. First, I pause the video and move the bar to the end. Then I click the 3 dots and select the new Extend Video option. As you can see, a carousel opens under the video. I use this to pick the exact frame where the video should extend. I'll drag this to the end, type the prompt for the next scene, and click Generate again.
I do the same thing for all the scenes, but there is one problem. Grok does not let me extend the video for more than 30 seconds. So what if you want a longer video? Don't worry, I have the solution right here. Before I tell you, pause the video for a moment and tell me in the comments, how do you think we can bypass this 30-second limit? Let's see who the real AI experts are. To do this, just drag the progress bar to the frame you want, right-click on the video, and click Copy Video Frame. Now, go back to Imagine, right-click in the prompt box and paste it. Next, write the prompt for the next scene and continue this way 30 seconds at a time until the video is finished. Finally, download the clips, put them together in your editing software, and get the final result. It is time to see the result of this cool hack together.
See? It was easy and free. We beat the time limits and made a long, smooth animation. To help you work faster, I put all the prompts from this video in a Google Doc. You can find the link in the description below. If this trick for beating the 30-second limit helped you, please like the video and send it to a friend who wants to make AI animations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell because many more tricks to help you become an AI pro are coming soon. See you in the next video and stay creative.